in contact with this holiness movement, you were crazy. You did some stuff that you don't want nobody to know right now, including myself. You were ignorant to what you was doing because you was only doing what your daddy, the devil, was telling you to do.
Yeah.
But now that you know God and His holiness became the standard, somebody said the standard, by which we gauge our life. Don't gauge your life by how I live. Don't gauge your life by how the bishop lives. Gauge your life by the word of God. If we was gauging our life by man, we would have been out in the streets. Because many of good preachers have messed up and now you don't know where to find them. Holy or holiness describes the essence and the character of God. You see, y'all won't hear this on TV and ain't nobody gonna talk about the holiness of God. They ain't gonna do it. But I'm convinced, church, as the evangelist preached last week, I listened to it, we got to build God an altar. God does not accept anything on His altar. God tells you what to put on the altar, and if you don't put what He tells you to put on the altar, He will not accept it. If you are not living holy, God will not accept you. He'll let you work, but when that day comes, He won't accept you.
That's right.
According to 2 Peter, he tells us that since this world will be destroyed, and see, that's another thing people don't believe, y'all. You know, it's just like in the days of Noah when it had never rained. See, a lot of y'all that don't read y'all Bibles, y'all think because, see, y'all seen rain, so that phenomenon don't really mean nothing to you. But back in Noah's day, when he told the people that it was going to rain, they had never seen rain. So because they never received rain, they wouldn't believe him when he told them one day it's going to rain. Let's bring it to today's vernacular. Since you've never seen fire come down out of heaven, some of y'all don't believe that fire is going to come down out of heaven. So because you don't believe it, you still living a whorish life, a sinful life. You're playing around, you're on the boat, you're gambling, you're smoking, you're drinking, you're rising up and playing, but one day it's going to rain fire.
Help us out, preach up.
And if there's another Bible written, it's going to talk about Noah's day, about the flood. And if another was written, it's going to talk about that day when God rained down fire. I'm enjoying this already. He says, what manner of persons ought ye to be? Somebody said, in all.
In all.
Holy conversation and godliness. Consequently, being holy becomes an obligation for the Christian. It's only your reasonable service.
Right.
I beseech you therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your body, not him, not me, but you present your body a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. It's only reasonable for you to live holy. It's only your obligation for you to walk upright before me. Anything or anyone set apart unto God and God alone is distinguished from others by being designated as holy. God has designated you a holy vessel. This is not man's doing. This is what God is saying. There are some places, such as inside the tabernacle, we call holy. Behind the veil of the tabernacle was the most holy place. This area is referred to as the holiest of all in the New Testament.